The paleo diet is designed to resemble what human hunter-gatherer ancestors ate thousands of years ago. Although it's impossible to know exactly what human ancestors ate in different parts of the world, researchers believe their diets consisted of whole foods. By following a whole food-based diet and leading physically active lives, hunter-gatherers presumably had much lower rates of lifestyle diseases, such as obesity, diabetes and heart disease. In fact, several studies suggest that this diet can lead to significant weight loss, without calorie counting, and major improvements in health. This video is a basic introduction to the paleo diet, providing a simple meal plan and other essential information. A paleo diet meal plan. There is no one right way to eat for everyone, and Paleolithic humans thrived on a variety of diets, depending on what was available at the time and where in the world they lived. Some ate a low-carb diet high in animal foods, while others followed a high-carb diet with lots of plants. Consider this as a general guideline, not something written in stone. You can adapt all of this to your own personal needs and preferences. Here are the basics. Eat meat, fish, eggs, vegetables, fruits, nuts, seeds, herbs, spices, healthy fats and oils. Avoid processed foods, sugar, soft drinks, grains, most dairy products, legumes, artificial sweeteners, vegetable oils, margarine and trans fats. Foods to avoid on the paleo diet. Avoid these foods and ingredients: sugar and high fructose corn syrup, soft drinks, fruit juices, table sugar, candy, pastries, ice cream and many others. Grains, includes breads and pastas, wheat, spelt, rye, barley, etc. Legumes, beans, lentils and many more. Dairy, avoid most dairy, especially low-fat. Some versions of paleo do include full-fat dairy like butter and cheese. Some vegetable oils, soybean oil, sunflower oil, cottonseed oil, corn oil, grapeseed oil, safflower oil and others. Trans fats, found in margarine and various processed foods. Usually referred to as hydrogenated or partially hydrogenated oils. Artificial sweeteners, aspartame, sucralose, cyclamates, saccharin, acesulfame potassium. Use natural sweeteners instead. Highly processed foods, everything labeled diet or low-fat or that has many additives. Includes artificial meal replacements. A simple guideline: if it looks like it was made in a factory, don't eat it. If you want to avoid these ingredients, you must read ingredients lists, even on foods that are labeled as health foods. Foods to eat on the paleo diet. Base your diet on whole, unprocessed paleo foods. Meat, beef, lamb, chicken, turkey, pork and others. Fish and seafood, salmon, trout, haddock, shrimp, shellfish, etc. Choose wild-caught if you can. Eggs, choose free-range, pastured or omega-3 enriched eggs. Vegetables, broccoli, kale, peppers, onions, carrots, tomatoes, etc. Fruits, apples, bananas, oranges, pears, avocados, strawberries, blueberries and more. Tubers, potatoes, sweet potatoes, yams, turnips, etc. Nuts and seeds, almonds, macadamia nuts, walnuts, hazelnuts, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds and more. Healthy fats and oils, extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, avocado oil and others. Salt and spices, sea salt, garlic, turmeric, rosemary, etc. Try to choose grass-fed, pasture-raised and organic if you can afford it. If not, just make sure to always go for the least processed option. Modified paleo diets. Over the past few years, the paleo community has evolved quite a bit. There are now several different versions of the paleo diet. Many of them allow some modern foods that science suggests are healthy. These include quality grass-fed butter and even some gluten-free grains like rice. Many people now think of paleo as a template to base your diet on, not necessarily a strict set of rules that you must follow. Sensible indulgences. The foods and beverages below are perfectly fine in small amounts. Wine. Quality red wine is high in antioxidants and beneficial nutrients. Dark chocolate. Choose one that has 70% or higher cocoa content. Quality dark chocolate is very nutritious and extremely healthy. What to drink when you're thirsty? When it comes to hydration, water should be your go-to beverage. The following drinks aren't exactly paleo, but most people drink them anyway. Tea. Tea is very healthy and loaded with antioxidants and various beneficial compounds. Green tea is best. Coffee. Coffee is actually very high in antioxidants as well. Studies show that it has many health benefits. A sample paleo menu for 1 week. This sample menu contains a balanced amount of paleo-friendly foods. By all means, adjust this menu based on your own preferences. Monday. Breakfast, eggs and vegetables fried in coconut oil. 1 piece of fruit. Lunch, chicken salad with olive oil. Handful of nuts. Dinner, burgers, no bun, fried in butter, with vegetables and some salsa. Tuesday. Breakfast, bacon and eggs, with a piece of fruit. Lunch, leftover burgers from the night before. Dinner, salmon fried in butter, with vegetables. Wednesday. Breakfast, meat with vegetables, leftovers from night before. Lunch, sandwich in a lettuce leaf, with meat and fresh vegetables. Dinner, ground beef stir-fry with vegetables. Some berries. Thursday. Breakfast, eggs and a piece of fruit. Lunch, leftover stir-fry from the night before. A handful of nuts. Dinner, fried pork with vegetables. Friday. Breakfast, eggs and vegetables fried in coconut oil. Lunch, chicken salad with olive oil. Handful of nuts. Dinner, steak with vegetables and sweet potatoes. Saturday. Breakfast, bacon and eggs with a piece of fruit. Lunch, leftover steak and vegetables from the night before. Dinner, baked salmon with vegetables and avocado. Sunday. Breakfast, meat with vegetables, leftovers from night before. Lunch, sandwich in a lettuce leaf, with meat and fresh vegetables. Dinner, grilled chicken wings with vegetables and salsa. There is usually no need to track calories or macronutrients, protein, carbs or fat, on the paleo diet, at least not in the beginning. However, if you need to lose a lot of weight, it is a good idea to cut carbs somewhat and limit your intake high-fat foods, such as nuts. Simple paleo snacks. There really is no need to eat more than 3 meals per day, but if you get hungry, here are some paleo snacks that are simple and easily portable. Baby carrots. Hard-boiled eggs. A piece of fruit. A handful of nuts. Leftovers from the night before. Apple slices with some almond butter. A bowl of berries with some coconut cream. Homemade beef jerky. Simple paleo shopping list. There is an incredible variety of foods you can eat on the paleo diet. This simple shopping list should give you an idea of how to get started. Meat, beef, lamb, pork, etc. Poultry, chicken, turkey, etc. Fish, salmon, trout, mackerel, etc. Eggs. Fresh vegetables, greens, lettuce, tomatoes, peppers, carrots, onions, etc. Frozen vegetables, broccoli, spinach, various vegetable mixes, etc. Fruits, apples, bananas, pears, oranges, avocado. Berries, strawberries, blueberries, etc. Nuts, almonds, walnuts, macadamia nuts, hazelnuts. Almond butter. Coconut oil. Olive oil. Olives. Sweet potatoes. condiments, sea salt, pepper, turmeric, garlic, parsley, etc. It is a good idea to clear all unhealthy temptations from your home, including sugary sodas, pastries, cookies, crackers, bread, ice cream and cereals. How to make restaurant meals paleo. It is fairly easy to make most restaurant meals paleo-friendly. Here are some simple guidelines. Order a meat or fish-based main dish. Get extra vegetables instead of bread or rice. Ask them to cook your food in olive oil or coconut oil.